In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download apps on your laptop or PC. So you've probably tried to go over to the Google Play Store, you found these apps and you were like, yes, I can actually download them. But then once you click on install, it's going to let you choose a device, but you can only see your phones, right? So this doesn't work. So how can you actually do this? So if you go to your desktop or just go onto your PC, it doesn't really matter. You'll find the Windows icon in the bottom left corner. If you click on that, you can go to the Microsoft Store. So pretty much search for Microsoft Store, then open that, and this is where you can download apps. So this is in Dutch right now, but you get the point. So for example, let's say I want to download Instagram. You then click on it and you can then download that. So if you click on get right here, you can then download that app. I don't have many apps on here. I'm pretty sure I do have Spotify. Yeah, as you can see right there, it says owned. And this is actually the Spotify app. I'll show you guys. Spotify. There you go, open. This is the Spotify app. So this is where you can download apps on your PC. I only have one app, I believe, or also have this one, which I use to watch some sports. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. You can go into gaming, entertainment, productivity, deals, and more. But this is where you can, pretty much download apps, right? So you have these app specials, you have all of this stuff. So yeah, that's how you can do this and how you can download apps. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.